My name is Alejandro, and I'll be talking about animal experimentation. Animal experimentation is when animals are being tested, such as guinea pigs, rats, rabbits, dogs, and even cats. Why animal experimentation is good. Humans give consent to be used for experimentation, but animals can't. Animals cannot give consent like humans, so it's unfair just to take them and experiment them against their own will. It's bad to just take them from their habitat. Approximately 17 million to 70 million to 100 million are killed each year. Animal experimentation is both cruel and unnecessary, and humans have no right to put innocent animals through such torture. Scientists often don't benefit from testing our animals, as they are so different from us and react differently to drugs. Why animal experimentation is good. Millions of people die each year because of diseases. Animal tests has helped cure millions of people, and if we didn't have animal testing, 1 million more people would die each year. Over time, studies have shown animals have been the most beneficial when it comes to being tested with drugs and also medicines that prospectively may save human lives. Experimenting on animals helps some people on inciting and developing techniques on how the human body reacts to the animals and compares and contrasts of the two. It may also help them prepare for open heart surgeries, bypass surgeries, and also organ transplants. As a result, there are many reasons why animal experimentation is good and bad. Although it saves many lives, it costs the lives of many animals. And that's the animal experimentation.